close and hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is Levion Crow.
Hi everyone, it's Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving my vanity a little bit of a makeover and I thought I would invite you guys to watch me transform my vanity space. I've had my pink room for a little over a year now, so I'm still getting used to decorating it for every season, but I found that I love doing it. I love transforming my space into this super aesthetic, romanticized version of my room for every season. I'll try to link what I can in the description down below if it's something that's available to purchase online. At the very least, I'll at least list where I got all of my decor from so that you can go on the hunt and find it too and transform your space. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, here is the space that I'm working with today. This is my vanity setup. You can see that my walls are a beautiful blush pink color. So I'm just going to transform this space a little bit for Valentine's Day. I don't like to have a lot of clutter or stuff on top of my vanity so that it can be functional. So I'm just going to add a little bit just to make it a little bit more festive and season appropriate. So another area I think I'm going to focus on today is my T-top area right up here on top of these knockoff Alex drawers. Those aren't real Alex drawers. I actually got those from Michael's. They're lookalikes. But I just have my tea set on display here. I'm going to try to make this a little bit more Valentine's Day appropriate as well. And this area here, which has been the backdrop for my videos, I'm just going to try to change up the outfit on my dress form over there, and then maybe change up the things that I have on top of my lingerie chest. We'll see what I decide to do, but mostly I'm focusing on my vanity today. So I'm gonna grab all of the decor that I have to use on my vanity, and then I'm gonna start decorating. Here is all of the decor that I have acquired so far to decorate my vanity. It's not a lot, but I'm not decorating my whole pink room. I'm really just focusing on my vanity and those two little areas that I showed you. So I'm going to do what I can. Got my Windex and paper towel so I can clean all of my mirrors. I have some Clorox wipes and that cute little duster there. I'm just gonna sweep my floors and clean off the top of my vanity and the surrounding areas, and then I can start decorating. everything came out. I think it looks so pretty in here, so ready for Valentine's Day. Okay, I'm gonna just quickly walk you through and show you what all I did. So starting with the vanity, I didn't do too much over here. Like I said, I like a nice clear area for my vanity so I can get ready without clutter. What I did do, the obvious thing is I added some really pretty hearts just going over my vanity, just sort of flying out. I don't know if I need more hearts or fewer hearts. I might tweak those hearts a little bit, but for now I really like them. And then to hold some of my makeup tools, I have those cute little red, these are actually candle votives. So if you put a tea light inside, you can see a little heart and it glows here, but I'm just using them as little cups to hold some of my makeup tools. I've got my makeup brushes in this cute little glass here with the hearts all over them. And that just about does it for my vanity. Like I said, clutter-free. Moving on to my tea area, the red was just not working with my beautiful gold and pink tea set, so I really just kept it very pink and hot pink over here. So in this little candy jar, I got the candy jar from Daiso and I put it on a Dollar Tree candle stand to make like a taller candy bowl. And inside, it's just a bunch of all pink starbursts. And then this little hurricane vase, again, was made with products from the Dollar Tree, and I added these lovely little macaron containers. They're empty, but they look so pretty stacked one on top of the other, and I think sweets kind of make sense on a tea area. And then, again, using Dollar Tree products, I made a flower box. I loved the pink, white, and gold. I thought it went so well with my tea set, so I decided to set it up here. And finally, this area over here. So on top of my lingerie chest, I added this cute little plaque that I got from Dollar Tree. And then I just added a little cupcake stand with a glass bowl and some pretty little paper flowers. I picked those up from Hobby Lobby. I've had them for a while, but I think they just match the hot pink, red, and pink theme of the room really well. Everything else is about the same, except I changed the outfit on my dress form and I put her in this really fun pink flirty dress, which is actually perfect for Valentine's Day. And then on the door of my closet, I just added that little heart. So thank y'all so much for watching. I might do a little bit of tweaking here in my Valentine's Day themed room. If I do make any adjustments or change anything, I'm definitely going to post about it on my Instagram, so you can follow me there if you want to see more of my pink room. I also already have story highlights saved that goes over everything I have on my vanity and some general things that I have in my pink room. So if you want to see more of this, you can check it out there. If you liked this content, please consider subscribing because more content just like this is going to be coming your way soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Hold me close and hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs, and though I close my eyes, I see La Vie en Rose.